Well, it's a beautiful morning, very bright and shiny. A little bit cold last night, but that's what I get for leaving open sides. So far, Keith is the only one that's awake over there. I keep randomly hearing Josh snore. Payback Josh for Sasquatch video. Granted, I don't think you use that audio, but we all know it exists. Chris is also in his tent over there. So we're just trying to wake up. After everybody had woke up, we had a hearty breakfast of biscuits and gravy, and then we hit the trails again. Closed beach access. We'll get out there. This isn't the first detour on a beach. Won't be our last, probably. Before making it to the beach, however, we came across Pyramid Point, a hiking trail with a view that you just gotta see. Sometimes our trips aren't just about going overlanding. Sometimes they're about walking. I guess, feet are overland. There's very slim times when my feet are not, sir. Made it, and it says enjoy the view from here, don't risk injury, and rescue fees by going down, or the 2 hours it may take to climb back up, which I fully agree. I'm good with going any further, plus I'm not climbing up anything else I don't have to. He was nice. The hike sucked. And I don't dare go down to that frickin' thing. Because I won't get back out. There would be rescue fees. Guaranteed.
Matt's off-road recovery.
Matt, we need you to come to Michigan. Well, we made it to the beach. But before going into the water, Keith's making sandwiches. Threw up the canopy awning thing so that we got a little bit of shade. Went up a lot quicker and easier than on the video. After cooling down in Lake Michigan, which I did not take video of, none of us want to see a Baywatch slow motion of Sasquatch. We began looking for a spot to settle for the night and just relax. Alright, so final camp of the trip. Hopefully it's not too windy now. And it's my turn to cook dinner. So we got steaks, courtesy of me. Potatoes, and they're baking. And then Keith cut up an onion, some mushrooms were provided, and Keith brought some shrimp for a shrimp scampi. So, yeah, this is gonna be a good dinner. What do you think, guys? Yeah. Well, guess what? I don't have to be the one that gets to eat this first. So I can take a picture. And I don't have to, I'll make sure it's in, because I know, actually, it's gotta be Keith, because he always puts me eating in his videos.
That's true.